are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony.
And I wish you'd take cover.
How come your wish came true?
Should I use my meteor defense system?
You have a meteor defense system?
I have defense systems for all sorts of junk. Wildfires, floods, people trying to read my thoughts.
Yeah, start with the meteor one.
The people trying to read my thoughts one is exactly the same, but with tinfoil trim. Someone left this at my house.
Yeah, the mailman. It's a letter.
Letter, huh? I don't know. Paper folded over itself? What's it hiding? What's it hiding?
Sticks, you've been nominated for an Awardy Award!
They really need a better name for that thing.
Ooh, let me see.
Oh, wait, I can't read.
Give me that. In honor of saving our village, the mayor cordially invites you to the awardees. Huh. Conveniently, you may also bring your 4 closest pals. Sorry, comedy chimp. Now, where was I? The awardees will be at the mayor's mansion. You'll dine on, elegant food and mingle with elegant guests. After which the awardee award will be awarded to the winner. Which could be you.
I can't make it.
What? Why not?
Well, I'm slammed this week. See, tomorrow, rummage through garbage. Wednesday, rummage through garbage. Thursday, get tetanus shot. Friday, rummage through garbage. I'm booked solid.
This is the honor of a lifetime.
Yeah, you might even win a shiny trophy. You love shiny things.
I do love shiny things. But no.
Sticks, are you afraid to go?
Afraid? No, of course not. No way. Nope. A little.
Sticks, there's nothing to fear.
Look at me. I'm a feral badger. I'll embarrass myself.
Who cares what people think?
Yeah, everyone at these parties is a windbag anyway. What a robust mustache you have, Colonel Grumpkin.
Why, thank you, Madam Stinkbottom.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. I'll teach you to be a lady.
A lady? That's the thing that holds garbage, right?
No! A lady is a polite, sophisticated member of society. And you can be that. Lesson 1, don't discuss garbage.
I'm out.
Come on, you can do this.
Okay, I'll try.
Great! A proper lady requires an escort for the gala.
Why do I even bother with you guys?
No.
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of fancy folk.
Fine. But I'm not wearing pants.
Thank you! Thank you!
If you want to be a lady, you'll have to train hard. You up for it?
Yes! I only have one question. Can I take this snail with me?
When meeting someone new, start with a compliment. Try saying something nice about their perfume.
You don't stink.
And go!
This is my male consort. And if you don't like him, I'll knock you out.
No sticks. Ladies don't fight. When in doubt, pinkies out. One, two, step. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, dip.
Why is the music controlling us? I'm not your puppet, music master. I'm not your puppet!
Yeah, I think she's ready.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Lady Styx and her escort, Sir Sonic of Hedgehog. Go ahead, you can do it. Start with a compliment.
What an elegant scent.
Finally, some chow.
No.
Asparagus crostini, hemp seed quiche, goat cheese with red radicchio spread?
The hoity-toity stiffs love these tiny nibbles.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Ugh, more like goat cheese and a red crudicchio spread.
My dear chap, what a marvelously comical witticism!
Red crudicchio spread?
Sir, you have the audacity to say what we're all thinking! You simply must join us.
Me? Okay. Red crudicchio spread!
Now you seem prepared for winter. That's one healthy layer of blubber.
Well, I never!
Sticks?
What? It was a compliment. It's not like I said she wasn't prepared for winter.
Welcome to the Awardee Awards, where we award an Awardee Award for award-winning scientists. Tonight, one of you nominees will be awarded your very own Awardee Award. That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
Check out that ridiculous hat!
That, sir, is the official hat of the Jackalope Lodge, of which I am president. But upon closer inspection, it does look asinine.
What is this?
It's your pre-salad, post-soup, mid-appetizer, post-cocktail, tertiary thimble fork.
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Evil genius coming through. Move it, Shellboy.
Eggman, how did you...
Get nominated? Let's just say I had a loyal base of supporters. Finally, a use for my ballot stuffing robot. You look familiar. Do I know you?
Start with a compliment.
You have healthy hindquarters.
Why, thank you. I actually just started taking spin classes. See that, Shelley? That's how a lady slurps soup from a bowl. Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to announce this year's winner. And the awardee goes to... Leroy the Turtle.
Yes! Yahoo! Score 1 for Leroy.
Leroy the Turtle? That award was mine! Something smells fishy here.
I have irritable bowel syndrome.
If you won't give me the award, I'll take it! With my ballot stuffing robot! Stufferbot, stuff their ballots! This is not quite as menacing as I'd hoped. Minions, attack!
Sticks, get him!
A lady doesn't fight.
That's how I know you.
Sticks! We could really use some help here!
No! Must remain ladylike. That's it! I'm sick of being proper! Time to get primal!
Give us a pound, dear chap.
I'll be back, and next time I'll bring more ballots! More ballots!
Leroy, You may have won the awardie, but I think we can all agree that today, I was the real hero.
Yes, but I won the award.
Give me the shiny!
Stay cool and keep rocking that bow tie.
Thanks for saving our skin, Sticks. I guess it isn't always proper to be proper.
Just following the old instincts.
Think you can teach me how to do that?
Sure.